Pleasant day, everyone. On this first week of December is the Educators Week of the College of Education in CTU Digmatayan campus. So the first and second day is the leadership training involving the classroom mayors, organization members, and also the Supreme Student Government. So there are many activities being prepared, including talent show, cosplay, speech choir, baseball, and beyond. Furthermore, each program of college education conducts a community service, and I want to encourage students to participate in activities to foster a theme which is unite, create, and celebrate. Through the activities being prepared, the students unite and collaborate. However, they choose a participant to compete in every activity that makes the most out of it. Each year level is busy in choosing participants through a screening. Students can be involved in the screening process, ensuring they are choosing participants based on skills, enthusiasms, and teamwork. Despite this can include many competitions or auditions to determine who would best represent their group, fostering a sense of ownership and collaboration within each year level. They also emphasize team building elements in every activity. In fact, before the actual competition or event, they integrate team building exercises that encourage trust, communication, and problem solving. This prepares students for their final role and helps a building sense of camaraderie. In addition, they encourage peer mentorship and guidance in such activity. Actually, older students or more experienced participants mentor the newer or less experienced ones, providing guidance, advice, and encouragement. Hence, this helps develop leadership skills and strengthens intergrade connections. Overall, fostering collaboration through activities not only enhances the students' teamwork skills but also encourages personal growth and leadership development. By involving students in the selection process and emphasizing team building exercises, they learn the value of cooperation, communication, and mutual support. These experiences create a sense of unity within each year level and across the entire student body, reinforcing the importance of working together toward common goals. Ultimately, these collaborative activities nurture a strong school community where students are empowered to contribute, lead, and succeed together.